Hi, my name is Allie. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Gmail account to function like a mail client so that you can send and receive email from within the Gmail interface using an email address that you have set up with us. The first thing you want to do is find this gear icon. In the default interface, it's in the top right. Click on that and then on Settings. Then go to Accounts and Import. And add a POP3 mail account you own. You're going to enter the email address that you want to set up to work with Gmail, in this case, allie@example.com, and click Next Step. The username is the email address, so allie@example.com, and the password is the email password. The server is going to be mail.yourdomainname, in this case example.com. And you can check any of these boxes that you want. It's pretty much optional. Just keep in mind, if you check this box, always use a secure connection, SSL, when retrieving mail, you also have to change the port from 110 to 995. We're going to go ahead and do that. Okay, and then click Add Account. Next, it will ask if you want to be able to send mail from this email account. In this case, we do. So check Yes, I want to be able to send mail as that email address, and click Next Step. The name you enter in this first box should be whatever you want people to see on emails they receive from you. In this case, Allie will work just fine. Then click Next Step. Now, there are two different ways that you can send email from within Gmail: through Gmail servers or through our servers. In this case, we're going to show you how to set it up to send through our servers. You'll select the second option. And the settings here are more or less the same as they were for incoming mail. The SMTP server is mail.yourdomainname, in this case example.com. The port is 465 if you're using SSL. If you're not using SSL, it'll be 25. The username is going to be the email address again. And the password is the email password. Go ahead and click Add Account. Now, for the last step, Gmail will send you a verification email with two things: a code and a link. Which one you decide to use to verify your account doesn't really matter. You can either click on the link in the email or enter the code, just depending on what's easier. And you can access that email in any way you like. You should be able to get it from within Gmail itself, since you already set up the receiving end of things. And remember, you can either click on the link in the confirmation email or just enter in the verification code here. If you have any questions or problems, feel free to call our support line anytime 24/7, and have a great day.